In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Trust Wallet on iPhone. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now, open up your Trust Wallet, right? So you can either create a new wallet, or if you have a wallet previously, just click on already have a wallet, right? You're going to create your passcode, right? Once I've created it, you're going to be required to add up your secret phrase, your private key, right? Or if you don't have a wallet already, just click on this create new wallet, right? Enter your passcode. Once I've entered it, just click on I'll do later, right? Now, yeah, you can see I just created my own Trust Wallet, right? So I'm gonna just click on this as well. So right now, this is it. I just created our Trust Wallet here. So this is basically how you can set up your Trust Wallet on iPhone. If you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. One thing as well you can also do, you can just come on here from the settings, right? You can be able to set up anything you want to set up right from here in the settings. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. You can also change your name, right, if you want. If you found this video helpful, I'll see you in the next one.